Our planet is changing, cities are growing. More people are living in urban areas than ever before. This trend brings challenges and opportunities. We must find ways to make our cities sustainable. The future of our planet depends on it. Sustainability means meeting our needs today without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It's about finding a balance between economic growth, social equity, and environmental protection. In the context of cities, it's about creating urban environments that are livable, resilient, and thriving for all. Cities face significant environmental challenges. Air pollution from traffic and industry chokes our urban centres, leading to respiratory problems and other health issues. The urban heat island effect, caused by concrete and asphalt absorbing heat, makes cities significantly hotter than surrounding areas. Waste management is another major concern. Cities produce enormous amounts of garbage, putting a strain on landfills and creating environmental hazards. These challenges are interconnected and require a holistic approach to urban planning and development. Innovative solutions are emerging. Green buildings are designed to minimize their environmental impact. They use less energy and water. They incorporate sustainable materials. Green roofs and walls provide insulation, reduce the urban heat island effect, and create habitats for wildlife. From energy-efficient appliances to smart lighting systems, green building technologies are constantly evolving. These innovations not only benefit the environment, but also create healthier and more comfortable living spaces for urban dwellers. Urban farming is transforming cities into productive landscapes. Rooftop gardens, community plots, and vertical farms are bringing fresh, locally grown produce to urban residents. This reduces transportation costs and emissions associated with traditional agriculture. Urban farms also provide social benefits. They create green spaces, foster community engagement, and educate people about food production. By reconnecting city dwellers with nature and the origins of their food, urban farming promotes sustainability and well-being. Section 5. Renewable energy, powering cities, sustaining the planet. Transitioning to renewable energy sources is crucial for sustainable urban living. Solar panels on rooftops and wind turbines integrated into buildings are becoming increasingly common sights in cities around the world. These technologies harness the power of the sun and wind to generate clean, sustainable electricity. Cities are also exploring other renewable energy options, such as geothermal energy and hydroelectric power, where feasible. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels, cities can significantly decrease their carbon footprint and combat climate change. Section 6. Smart technology, smarter cities. Innovations for a greener future. Smart technology is playing a pivotal role in transforming cities for a greener tomorrow. By integrating advanced technologies into urban planning, cities are becoming more efficient and sustainable. This transformation is not just about adopting new gadgets, but about creating a cohesive ecosystem where every component works in harmony to reduce environmental impact. Sensors, data analytics, and artificial intelligence are being used to optimize resource management, improve transportation systems, and enhance the overall quality of life in urban environments. These technologies collect and analyze vast amounts of data, providing insights that help city planners make informed decisions. For example, sensors on streetlights can monitor traffic flow and adjust lighting based on real-time conditions, thereby saving energy and reducing light pollution. For instance, smart traffic management systems can reduce congestion and emissions by optimizing traffic flow in real time. These systems use data from various sources, such as cameras and sensors, to predict traffic patterns and adjust signals accordingly. This not only improves travel times, but also reduces the carbon footprint of urban transportation. Smart grids can improve energy efficiency by balancing electricity supply and demand. They enable the integration of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, into the power grid. Engineers can monitor and manage energy distribution more effectively, ensuring that electricity is used where it is needed most and reducing waste. This leads to a more stable and resilient energy system. These technological advancements are making cities more efficient, resilient, and sustainable. By embracing smart technology, cities can better withstand environmental challenges and provide a higher quality of life for their residents. The future of urban living is not just about surviving, but thriving in a way that is harmonious with our planet. As we continue to innovate, The dream of greener, smarter cities is becoming a reality, paving the way for a sustainable future for generations to come. Section 7. The power of community local actions, global impact. While technology plays a crucial role, the heart of sustainable urban living lies in community engagement and action. Across the globe, citizens are taking ownership of their neighborhoods and implementing innovative solutions to local environmental challenges. From community gardens and urban forestry projects to neighborhood cleanups and advocacy campaigns, grassroots initiatives are making a tangible difference. These efforts not only improve the local environment but also foster a sense of community and empower individuals to become agents of change. Section 8. Case studies in sustainability. Cities leading the way. Cities around the world are implementing innovative and inspiring solutions. From renewable energy projects to green building initiatives, urban areas are at the forefront of the fight against climate change. These cities are not only reducing their carbon footprints, but also enhancing the quality of life for their residents. Copenhagen, Denmark, is renowned for its cycling infrastructure and commitment to becoming carbon neutral by 2025. The city has invested heavily in bike lanes and public transportation, making it easier for residents to choose eco-friendly modes of travel. Copenhagen's ambitious goal is to be the first carbon-neutral capital in the world, setting a benchmark for other cities to follow. Singapore is a model for urban greening, with vertical gardens and green spaces integrated throughout the city-state. The iconic super trees and extensive network of parks and green roofs help to mitigate the urban heat island effect and improve air quality. Singapore's approach to urban planning emphasizes sustainability and biodiversity, making it a leader in green urban development. Curitiba, Brazil, is internationally recognized for its sustainable transportation system and innovative approach to waste management. The city has implemented an efficient bus rapid transit system that reduces traffic congestion and lowers emissions. Curitiba's waste management program encourages recycling and composting, significantly reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. These cities demonstrate that with vision, planning, and community involvement, it is possible to create urban environments that are both thriving and sustainable. By prioritizing green initiatives and fostering a culture of sustainability, they are paving the way for a more resilient and eco-friendly future. The success of these cities serves as an inspiration for others to adopt similar practices and work towards a more sustainable world. Section 9. The future we choose. Embracing a sustainable urban future. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. Every decision, big or small, has a ripple effect on the environment and the quality of life for future generations. By embracing sustainable practices, we can transform our cities into vibrant, resilient and thriving hubs that benefit both people and the planet. This means integrating renewable energy sources like solar and wind power into our urban infrastructure. It means designing buildings that are energy efficient and using materials that have a minimal environmental footprint. Imagine cities with clean air and water, where green spaces are abundant and transportation is efficient and sustainable. Picture a world where electric buses and bike lanes are the norm, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and cutting down on pollution. Envision rooftops covered in greenery, helping to regulate temperatures and provide habitats for urban wildlife. Imagine communities where people live in harmony with nature, enjoying a high quality of life while minimizing their environmental impact. These communities prioritize local food production through urban gardens and support eco-friendly housing developments that reduce energy consumption. They also provide ample opportunities for outdoor recreation, fostering a deep connection with the natural world. This is the future we can create together. By working collaboratively, we can implement green infrastructure projects that enhance urban resilience and promote social equity. Community-driven initiatives, such as tree planting and cleanup events, empower residents to take an active role in shaping their environment. Urban planners and policymakers must also prioritize sustainable development to ensure that our cities remain livable and prosperous for generations to come. Section 10. A call to action building a greener tomorrow together. The challenges are significant, but the opportunities are even greater. We all have a role to play in creating a more sustainable future. Support sustainable businesses, advocate for green policies. Get involved in community initiatives. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. By working together, we can transform our cities into beacons of sustainability and create a brighter future for generations to come. The time for action is now. Let's build a greener tomorrow together.